Question D says determine the equation of the circle passing through O, A, and B. Let's go ahead and draw the circle so that we can imagine what is going on here. So let's bring it a little bit down and a little more in. There we go. There's our circle. So this OB is a chord, and so is OA. And there's a theorem that says the line segment joining the center of a circle to the midpoint of a chord is perpendicular to the chord. So we had in question C and B calculated perpendicular lines cutting our chords. I'm just going to, half of 2 should have been passing somewhere there, but there's a line passing that one, and there's also going to be a line passing that one going all the way there. Now these two chord lines are going to join at the center. This is not a up to scale drawing, but kind of trying to use my imagination here. So in this case, these two lines, because they are cutting our chords in half, it means that they are passing through the center and they are meeting through the center. That is a point that they have in common, right? So the line, this line here, when we calculated it, it was giving us the equation y is equals to -1/2x plus 5/2, and this line here was giving us the equation x is equals to 3, and we know where these two lines meet is going to be then our center. So we, in a sense, we already know what the x value of our center is. The x value of our center is 3. The y value we would substitute into this equation. We would substitute 3 into this equation to calculate the y value. So we would have y is equals to -1/2 plus 5/2, and this would give us a y value of 1. So our center point is at 3 and 1. The equation for a circle is given by the equation x minus a squared plus x minus b squared r squared. Our a and b is 3 and 1, so we can substitute that in. We will have x minus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equals to r squared. Now to find the radius, we can substitute any of the 3 points, A, B, or O. It would be much easier to calculate using O here. So we'll substitute that in. We get O minus 3, 0 minus 3 squared plus 0 minus 1 squared is equals to r squared. And that will then give us that r squared is equals to 10. And r will then be the square root of 10. Now to write the equation out in full, we'll get x minus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equals to 10.